What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we have the misting tower. Now, I did record the unboxing and me opening this, but unfortunately my camera was blurry. So I put everything together. I just want to do a quick recording. I did get two extra knobs right here. These are the twisting knob. Basically, you could open it, close it, take it off. Oh, and it came apart. In the box came two of these extra ones. I don't know why would you need two extra ones. I don't know. Maybe it get clogged up. Maybe, I don't know. But they gave us two extra ones, so that's good. Now, each one of these extensions are 5 inches in length. So you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30 inches. So you have 30 inches in height with this. Also with this, you get the quick connect. I already put it on since I recorded this already. So I already put the quick connect on. And it comes with the other piece for the quick connect for your water hose. So it comes with that too. Also, on this one, you can hook up another unit. If you want to hook up another unit, put a hose through here and put it to your other sprinkler. All right, you guys. Now, unlike the other couple of Edens that I reviewed, I think about 2 or 3 of them so far. I can't even remember. I'm losing track. But this is plastic base. The other ones were metal base, those silver ones. So I don't know if that will deter you away from that, but for me, metal, plastic, it don't really matter. The only difference that I really see with the plastic one is it does fade if it stays in the sun for a long time. Like my old Eden that I reviewed, it is not black no more. It looks gray. Other than that, who really cares, right? All right, so let's get into the actual functionality of the unit and catch y'all in a little bit. Okay, you guys, so the GoPro died. Yeah. I thought I was on the charger, but it wasn't on the charger. Anyways, so the misting thing is okay for me. It's actually doing a good amount of water. Now, I wish this had an ability to turn, but with these knobs, you pretty much turning it where you want it to go. As you can see, it covers up basically where you want it to go, right? Now, if it's a little taller, which I'm going to put some taller ones on there, I'll show y'all how much it's going to cover. But when it's lower, you're getting less coverage. Right here is getting my peppers, the beginning peppers. It got a little bit on the back pepper back there, so you just have to leave it alone and let the sprinkler do its work. Okay, you guys, so this is the misting tower, mini misting tower, 30 inches in the air, and is shooting out mist. If you have winds, so right now my winds are going this way, so most of the mist is shooting back that way, and that's about it. It's not too much to this mini tower. Like I said, you can't, once you turn these all the way left, these nozzles come all the way off. So the only thing you can do is adjust it by manually moving it. It would have been cool if there was like a feature on here where this can turn in a 360 by itself. What else? Also, I found out something new here. You see where it says stop right here? You can take the quick connect off and attach another one without going to turn your water off. So I'm gonna show y'all that right now since I'm done with this review. So let me show y'all. It might shoot out real hard because I'm using one hand. So let me hold it. So you see that? I even have the water on right now. It's hard to put back on. I think that's due to the water pressure. So that's something to note. I'm gonna try to work with this by itself to see if I can find an easy way to put it back on while the water pressure is still in this hose. But other than that, that's it. I'll do this one on a separate review, just so I could give this quick connector some shine on a video. Yeah, but that's it. This tower for me, it's okay, but I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion. I probably won't be using the tower like that. Y'all know which ones I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use the one that does the most coverage. The tower is good for the people that don't want to water too much. They just want a regular mist. Me, on all my sprinklers, I never use the mist feature. But yeah, so if you love the mist feature, this is perfect for you. Other than that, that's it with this review. I hope y'all like it. If you have any questions, y'all know what to do. Put it in the comment section. Hit that like button if you like the video. Of course, you should like the video. I did a video for you. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I have another sprinkler coming up very soon, and I know y'all gonna like the next one. Like, comment, and please subscribe.